Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign in with your Microsoft account to start using Microsoft To Do today. Enable sync so changes update across devices instantly. Open the app and create your first list to collect tasks. Add tasks with clear titles and deadlines for accountability. You can add up to 25 tasks to a focused list without clutter. Use the reminder feature to alert you 15 minutes or 1 day before a deadline. Turn on notifications so you never miss a scheduled task or reminder. Group related tasks into 3 to 5 lists such as work, personal, and shopping. Use meaningful list names so you scan your day fast and clearly. Within a task, add steps to break work into subtasks for better focus. You can include up to 25 steps to map complex tasks into small actions. Flag important tasks and open My Day each morning to pick priority work. Review lists weekly and move 2 to 3 items into My Day to stay productive. Connect Microsoft To Do to Outlook and Planner to centralize your tasks and emails. Turn on integration so flagged emails become actionable tasks without manual entry. Share lists with teammates and assign tasks to collaborate in real time for transparency. Use comments and file attachments in tasks for context and faster completion. Set recurring tasks daily, weekly, or every 3.5 months for routine work. Regularly archive completed tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.